Hi, I'm Sue Connelly, the undergraduate coordinator for the Department of Modern Languages. If you have any interest in taking a foreign language class, come and see me.
Hi, I'm Emily Haff. I'm the Deputy Director of the Institute for Politics and Strategy, and I serve as the advisor for all of our undergraduate and graduate students in the department. IPS is the home of political science at Carnegie Mellon. Our flagship enterprise is the Bachelor of Science in International Relations and Politics, but we also have 3 minors, including a brand new minor in cybersecurity and international conflict. And we also sponsor the Carnegie Mellon University Washington Semester Program, which is open to any undergraduate at Carnegie Mellon, regardless of major. IPS also offers the Center for International Relations and Politics Policy Forum, which is a university-wide lecture series. We've got some great lectures coming up this semester that I encourage you to check out, including the Romanian ambassador to the US, the former president of Bolivia, and international relations and political science scholars. I hope you'll check out our website for more details. I'm always happy to meet with students, so please feel free to give me a shout out, come by my office, send me an email, and we can chat about any of the opportunities in the Institute for Politics and Strategy. I look forward to getting to know you.